I have been working with IDC since 1970. My topics of interest are: one, how architects think and visualize. My second interest has been in the area of product semantics, which is again from a cognitive science point of view. And the third area that I'm currently working on and mostly spending all my research time on it is affordable housing. The project that I'm working on, as far as the Tata Center is concerned, is about it's titled as fitting more in the volume. The idea here is, in affordable housing, the current approach is to look at middle class apartment and reduce it in size and somehow make it affordable. Now, that's not exactly what is culturally required for the kind of income group that occupies them. The second problem is they also reduce the quality so that it becomes a little more affordable. We want to challenge this notion by saying that let's not reduce the quality, let's also keep the quality of living as desired by the dwellers who are going to occupy that, but try and use the space more effectively by creating components and systems where they can build the interior themselves and use the entire volume effectively. Our major approach is the current phase of the project is more design oriented. We spent almost about 4 years trying to research in this area. So it's a time that we convert that research into some design ideas. So if you want to sum up this, what we're trying to do is to see that the quality of living is not compromised, the quality of construction is not compromised, but at the same time give them what is possible within a short space. So this is the project all about. And there are 3 students working on it, and we hope to have at least the first phase completed by this November.